niyo yung term na Athanasius contra mundum na term?
No.
Athanasius against the world. There was once a bishop dati, in the ancient times na tatawag na Saint Athanasius. Saint Athanasius at the time was the last bishop na naniniwala na si Kristo ay Diyos. Na-dominate ng Arianism yung simbahan. To the point na even the popes themselves believe that Christ is just a prophet. But siya lang yung nag-iisa. And he was being pressured to recant his belief, to change his belief. But stand on his ground. Kaya tawag siyang Athanasius contra mundum. Kasi mag-isa na lang talaga siya at the time. So, normal yung normal ang, hindi normal. Kasi mali yun. Pero it is a fact of life na nangyayari ang scandals sa simbahan.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that the church itself is wrong for that. Kasi wala kang mahanap na simbahan na perfecto.